Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a device that promises to revolutionize your home office and creative projects, the new Epson Expression Premium XP-7100 wireless color photo printer. If you're tired of sacrificing quality for convenience or juggling multiple machines, then stick around, because this compact powerhouse might just be the best home printer of 2025. We're going to unbox its incredible features and discover how it delivers real-world value. First up, let's talk about what truly sets the Epson Expression Premium XP-7100 apart: its superior photo quality and razor-sharp text. Epson isn't just throwing around the word premium lightly here. This wireless color photo printer delivers breathtaking results that will make your cherished family memories, vibrant vacation snapshots, and intricate graphic designs truly pop. The colors are incredibly rich and accurate, the details are astounding, and the overall print quality rivals what you'd expect from a professional photo lab. Imagine preserving those precious moments with prints that truly do them justice. But it's not just for photos. For all your important documents, reports, and school projects, the XP-7100 produces incredibly crisp, laser-quality text. Say goodbye to blurry lines or uneven fonts, every character is defined and professional. This seamless blend of a dedicated photo printer and a robust document workhorse makes it an ideal all-in-one solution for any home or small office looking for top-tier print output. And a quick but crucial note: to consistently achieve this exceptional quality and ensure your printer's longevity, the Epson printing system is meticulously designed to be used exclusively with Epson genuine cartridges. It's a commitment to performance and reliability that protects your investment and ensures every print is perfect. Moving on to productivity, the Epson XP-7100 is engineered to make your life dramatically easier and more efficient. This isn't just a basic printer, it's a true productivity hub designed for the modern home office. Need to scan or copy a multi-page document for work or school? The integrated 30-page auto document feeder, or ADF, is an absolute game-changer. No more tedious, manual feeding of sheet after sheet, just load your stack and let the XP-7100 handle it with speed and precision, freeing up your valuable time. And speaking of efficiency, the auto two-sided print, copy, and scan function is a genuine lifesaver for saving paper and streamlining your workflow. Printing double-sided reports or scanning both sides of a contract becomes an effortless, one-step process. Plus, with multiple media feeds, including a dedicated photo tray and a rear specialty paper feed, you can effortlessly switch between plain paper, glossy photo paper, cardstock, or even custom media without constantly emptying and reloading trays. This level of versatility and automation truly elevates the XP-7100 from a simple printer to a powerful, time-saving assistant, making it a contender for the best home printer in 2025. But the Epson Expression Premium XP-7100 isn't just about work and efficiency, it's also an incredible catalyst for creativity. Imagine transforming your digital photos into stunning, tangible art with borderless photos up to 8 by 10 inches, perfect for framing or gifting. And for those truly unique projects, you can even print directly onto specialty paper, like iron-on transfers or custom greeting cards, or personalize your own DVDs and CDs with custom labels. This opens up a whole new world of creative possibilities, from personalized gifts to professional-looking media for your home business. What makes all this even more accessible are the incredibly convenient, hassle-free features built right into the small, black powerhouse. The large, intuitive 4.3-inch touchscreen acts as your command center. It's incredibly responsive and easy to navigate, allowing you to view, crop, and print photos directly from a USB drive or SD card slot. No computer or complex software needed. This direct printing capability is perfect for quick prints, sharing photos with family, or for those who prefer a streamlined, standalone workflow. It's truly a top printer that balances practicality with passion, offering an unparalleled user experience. So, what's the final verdict on the Epson Expression Premium XP-7100 wireless color photo printer? It's clear that Epson has delivered a truly exceptional, all-in-one device that excels in every category. With its unparalleled superior photo and document quality, impressive productivity features like the 30-page ADF and auto two-sided printing, and a fantastic suite of creative and convenient options, this small but mighty printer punches way above its weight. If you're searching for a versatile, high-performance wireless printer that can effortlessly handle everything from professional-grade documents to stunning, vibrant photo prints, the XP-7100 is not just an outstanding choice, it's arguably the best printer for your home or small office in 2025. It's more than just a printer, it's an investment in efficiency, creativity, and preserving your most precious memories. Ready to experience the difference for yourself? You can find the best deals, detailed specifications, and customer reviews for the Epson Expression Premium XP-7100 by clicking the link in the description below. If you found this review helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and buying guides, and let me know your thoughts on the XP-7100 in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.